When maintaining a kitchen that's food code compliant, you can use Dawn Powerwash to pre-treat, clean as you go, or to clean large items in place that won't fit in a sink. For pre-treating for tough baked-on grease, start by spraying Dawn Powerwash to break down the grease. This will make wiping incredibly easy. Then give a quick clean in the wash sink. Rinse in your compartment sink and sanitize in the sink sanitizer. For items like chef's knives that get constant use, you'll want to clean as you go. Start by treating with Dawn Powerwash. Then wipe with a clean paper towel to avoid contamination. Give a quick rinse under water. And to finish, spray to sanitize. To clean large objects in place, start by taking off removable pieces. Spray clean them with Dawn Powerwash. Then thoroughly spray the large object and wash it with a clean brush, making sure you get into the tight spaces where food and bacteria can hide. Then simply wipe with a clean paper towel. To rinse, spray with water, and wipe again with a clean paper towel. To finish, spray with a sanitizer and let air dry. It's easy to use Dawn Powerwash to quickly and easily keep your kitchen clean and up to code.